Greeting fellow modelers. Here we're going to take a look at how I do the canopy. So this is shrink wrap that I put over the molding. The molding I will do in a separate video. Here I'm just using a knife as a base to secure it while I wrap the shrink wrap around it. Now don't worry about the crease. Once we apply heat from the heat gun, which is low heat, it should take care of it. Now watch it shrink. This is in real time, and as you can see, I go over it back and forth. With a little practice you can get it. And look at that, mission accomplished. We just make sure it is tight all over, and then we can stop, release it, and then cut the excess plastic away, just like that. From here we're going to now cut the frame, the window frame. Me, with my OCD and acute attention to detail, decided to leave the wiring for the ejection in. So as I cut the remaining pieces out to leave the frame and the ejection seat wiring, I'm going to cut the rear half off first. The canopy frame comes in about 6 parts. So here we're cutting out the major part, and once we get it out, we're going to try and roll it. So here you see I leave nothing out. This is just an extended thing for you, my Patreon members. This was a request from you, and I wanted to show it here first. So here we have our frame. We're going to now roll it using my paintbrush handle. You see I'm rolling it carefully, and we're going to do a compound roll. So this is roll on one side, and then where the frame is here, we're going to roll it at the base of the frame for the second time. Once we do this and we feel good enough with it, we're going to do a test fit. So here you see I'm trying to put compound curves in just a bit, then we do a test fit. And now you understand why I also like these Brent repaint. It's because of the extra canopy that's there that uses a guide for where to place the frame. Once that is good and we're satisfied, we'll now paint it. So we're painting the underside of the frame because the frame is going to be exposed, because it will be in the up position when we do this, and that's what I want. So we make sure add enough paint everywhere on the edges, and now we can apply glue and glue into position. Here you see I'm now putting in all the frame. So basically just touching up with a little glue and just mapping it all over to match what the mold has. And that's how I do it. Now once we get that and we're satisfied with it, we're going to now cut it away from the mold. We just make sure, check everything is aligned, everything proper, and it dries a bit, then we cut away. So with a sharp blade we're now cutting the plastic. So we're cutting along the base, as you see, and everything here you see is real time. It's not sped up, so you see the actual time it takes to do this. Mind you, the cuts are jump because I didn't want it to be long and drawn out, but you have a general idea of what is done. And once this is done now, we can pry it off slowly. We just make sure that we get all the angles, and care must be taken so that you don't cut yourself. We just go over it several times to make sure the cut is clean, just to the extent of what we need, and then we cut the main one off. Now see, I'm just using the knife to go under the frame to slowly pry it off. And that, my friends, is how I do my canopy. When you're finished, you clean it up by trimming the edge of it. But pretty much this is it. That's your canopy. You can use the scissors, clean up edge like I say, and paint it as needed. Now we're doing the front of the canopy, the windshield for lack of a better term. And here with our sharp blade, we're cutting out the panel and leave the framework. So notice I don't cut to where the joints are, because that way you lose the joint. I cut away from the joints. I try to as much as possible. And now that we have cleaned it up, we're going to roll this and then carefully join it onto the plastic that's still on the frame. So we have this now. We're going to put a little glue on it, and if you notice, the glue I'm using, it has been exposed a little. This is from a glue, the tube that I had that has cured a little bit, so it's a little thicker, so it will dry and hold faster and a bit stronger. And here now I have placed it well on the canopy front, the windshield. Make sure everything is cleaned up, the excess glue we're removing. And because of the type of glue, Aleene's tacky glue, you notice that it's not running all over the place. Now from this, we can now make sure it's still clean up, and then we can cut. Great. And now we take our time not to cut ourselves, sharp blade, and we cut the remaining plastic edge, and we peel it off. There we have our complete canopy. And this part now, I'll glue to the fuselage. We just cleaned up a bit with the scissors to just clean up the frame edge. And that's how we do it. Thank you so much for you sponsoring me. I really appreciate it. This will be hopefully the first of many to come, and catch you in the next one. Till then, one love.